Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Abel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to promote Nagano Tonics on Clickbank. So this is the number 2 offer on Clickbank right now. It's been a number 1 offer for the last couple of weeks. It just dropped down to number 2, but it's still a really good offer to promote. It has a gravity score of 281 and the average conversion about $149, and it's got a good retail for $25. So every sales make you get a rebill recurring revenue for about $25 per sale. So we're going to show you how to promote this offer. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is grab our affiliate link for this offer, and let's check out the landing pages for that. So I'm gonna go to Nagano Tonic affiliate page. So you go to the affiliate page, they give you all the information that you need to how to promote this offer. But what we really want to take a look at is the landing pages. They have 2 landing pages. First one is the VSL, and then the second one is the retargeting. So the VSL is great for sending cold traffic to this offer. So if you are sending cold traffic, this is the landing page that you want to send it to. But this is for the other sales page is for the retargeting, which is this page right here. So this is better suited for warm traffic. So if people are already kind of initiated with information that they receive on the VSL, that they can be sent to this landing page. So with our strategy, what we're going to be doing to promote this offer is that we're going to be using paid traffic. And then from the paid traffic, we're going to be sending them to our affiliate offer. But in order to do that, we need to have what's called a pre-sale page. So if you're not familiar with what pre-sale pages are, they're basically these bridge pages, intermediary pages that promote our offer. And the reason why we need these pages for 2 reasons. The first reason is that every time you're running any ads using ad platforms like Facebook or Google, you need to have a bridge page if you're going to be promoting affiliate offers. Because if you're sending direct traffic from your ad to your affiliate offer, that's against their ad policy. So you cannot be sending direct traffic from your ad. So you need to have a pre-sale page. So that way it's compliance with their ad policy. The second reason why you need to have a pre-sale page is that the pre-sale pages act as a way to warm up the audience in order to get them to buy. So a lot of the time when you're running traffic on Facebook or, Google or these ad platforms, you're really targeting cold traffic and cold audiences. So your pre-sale page act as a way to warm them up, kind of like get them initiated and get them familiar with the solutions that you're going to be offering them. And then from there, when they're ready to buy, then you can send them to the actual affiliate offer page, use the affiliate link. So that's what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building this pre-sale page right here. Now, in order to build this pre-sale page, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be watching the VSL. We're going to watch the VSL. We're going to take notes and see, get all the information from the VSL. And then we're going to be recreating this VSL in a text format. And then we're going to be using that information and creating our pre-sale page. So we're going to be creating this pre-sale page using the information that we received from the VSL. All right, so let's to it. I know I've already watched this VSL, and I've already taken notes and all the information. So I already know what I need to do to create the bridge page. This is the bridge page that I've created. This is the pre-sale page. Basically, this is like a advertorial. Advertorials are the articles that are written, designed to look like an article, but it really is is an ad, right? So what I've done is that I've taken the information from the pre-sale page and I've rewritten it in text format. Just kind of summarizing it, paraphrasing it in my own language, and then this is gonna warm up everybody that lands on this page to go buy Nagano Tonic. So we have the links to the Nagano Tonic page right here. Now, if you're not sure how to make pre-sale pages, I'm not gonna get too deep into that in this video. I had a separate video that I've already done on teaching you guys how to create a really good pre-sale page for clickbank offers and stuff, for affiliate offers in general. So if you want to go check out that video, I'll leave a link to that so you can go check that out. Now, if you want this exact pre-sale page that I've created, I'll leave a link below so you can get that as well as other pre-sale pages that I've also created. So you can check that out on my ZoomNetPages.com. You'll be able to find pre-sale pages from all the different clickbank offers that you want to promote. So you can go check out that as well. So, but this is the bridge page that I've already created. It's called, it says, the title of the bridge page says the truth behind Regulus obesity crest. Basically, I've taken the information from the VSL and I've made this. So what we need to do now is create a Facebook ad that's going to be sending traffic to this. So we're going to need to create a Facebook ad copy that's incongruent with this, right? So we need to make sure that it's the transition is smooth. So we want to make sure that whatever that your audience is clicking from, be clicking and they can direct it to this, right? So we can make the ad copies for this landing. Okay, so to create our ad copy for the landing page, we're gonna be coming into Canva. You can also use like other tools like Photoshop, but Canva is like one that a lot of people are using. It's really easy to use and it's free to for Canva. On here we can go in and see. We're gonna go to social media. We're gonna find a template. So let's see here. Let's do Facebook. Well, actually, let's do Instagram post. Okay, so this will be the size that we want for our ad copy, right? And then we're gonna find like some templates here on the side and see what might works for us. So because this is like an article, we're gonna find something that's works best for that one. Okay, so I like this one right here. This looks all right. So this will be the ad copy. Now, what we'll do is I'm just gonna change this up a this down here. We're just gonna change the letters. All right. So what we want to do is we want to take the headline. So it said the truth behind America's obesity crisis. We're gonna just insert this headline into our ad, right? So that way, when people are reading this headline and they land on our pre-sale page, it's congruent with the ad, right? So we don't want them to send them to a completely different landing page than what they're expecting. So we want to use the same language that we use in our thing. Okay. Now we want to change this image. So let's upload an image for this. I'm gonna upload an image that I used for my pre-sale page. Okay, so this is the image that I used in my pre-sale page. So I'm gonna use the same image. All right, so there's our ad. That looks pretty good. The truth behind America's obesity crisis. Now you want to create a couple of these type of ads. You want to like just duplicate this and maybe like use different images to try to test out different headlines as well. So what I would do is I would recommend is take this headline, go into like ChatGPT and ask this ChatGPT like give you like different variations of the same headline. And then you should have about 3 to 4 headlines similar to this, and then try to create 3 to 4 images that are similar to this. So that way you have more than one ad creators, but just for the sake of this video, we're just gonna run with this one. Okay. I'm just gonna download this. Okay, so now we have our ad copy and then our pre-sale page. Now, before we set up our campaign in Facebook ads, we need to make sure that we have all our links embedded correctly. So I'm just going to do that real quick. We're going to go into our landing page builder. The landing page builder that I'm using is ClickFunnels 2.0. If you want to sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check that out. You can get like 14 days free trial with it. So all it could do is go into Nagano Tonic pre-sale page. Okay, so here we are inside of our landing page builder inside of ClickFunnels, and we're gonna just go to our button right here. So go to Nagano Tonic, and then we're just gonna insert our affiliate link. So over here is where we want put our affiliate link. So if you go to um, your affiliate page for Negano Tonic, grab your affiliate link right here. So just copy that. And then now make sure that this is for retargeting. So because we're sending it to this, we'll make sure that the affiliate link that we're getting is going to be for retargeting. So when you get your affiliate links, just make sure that it says landing page retargeting, and then just generate hop link and grab that affiliate link. And then we're going to just place that affiliate link inside of our landing page builder. So just put there, like that. And then just, if you have more than one call to action, so these buttons are going to send out to the affiliate offer page. But when they click on that button, we want to make sure that it's our affiliate link that they're clicking on, right? So make sure that you put your affiliate link on both of these buttons. So I'm going to do it for this one too. All right. And then we're going to save that. And then after that, we can go back down. Okay, so under setting, we're gonna select our domain. If you already have a domain set up, we're just gonna select. So I have a domain set up right now, and this is the domain. So now we have that, and we're gonna be able to save that. And then I'm just gonna copy this. So this is the link to our landing page. We're gonna make sure we just put this somewhere on the notepad. So I'll just put it somewhere here. So this will be this link right here. Okay. So this is the link that we're going to be using inside of our ad copy. Right. This link is this is not the affiliate link. This is the link to your pre-sale page. Okay, so just make sure that you're aware that the link to the affiliate link is going to be inside of this pre-sale page. So this is just the link to your landing page. And then this link is what we're going to be using inside here of our ad copy. When we set up our ad copy, we're going to be needing this link. So just remember that. All right, so now we are here inside of our Facebook ad manager, and we're going to be creating our Facebook ad campaign. So we're going to hit create new campaign. And I'm just going to go ahead and select sales. We're going to go with manual sales campaign. Okay, so firstly, if you're not familiar with Facebook ads, I'm just going to give you a quick brief overview of it. So Facebook ads campaigns are broken into three parts. You have the campaign level, the ad set level, and then the ad level. And the way it works is like this. So your campaign is your full entire campaign. And inside the campaign, you have ad sets. These are basically targeting. So one asset could be targeting cold traffic, another asset could be targeting warmer audiences, another asset could be targeting lookalike audiences. I'll get to that later, but these are all different targetings that you can set. And inside of each assets, you have multiple different ad copies. So these are your ad creatives, the headlines, and the titles. So you can have as many ad creatives inside of one asset. You can have as many assets inside of one campaign. So it kind of works like a pyramid in a sense. So that just remember that the campaign is where basically just your full entire campaign for that offer that you're promoting. And then the assets are your targeting. And then the ads are your creatives, the headlines and all that stuff, and the different landing pages that you can set on. All right, so we are here. We're going to be setting up our campaign. We're going to give a name to our campaign. I'm just going to call this Negano Tonic. And then for the campaign budget, we're going to go and turn on Advantage campaign budget. What this is going to do is that, let's say that I have an asset right here. The budget is, let's say $100 a day, right? And you got three assets you got three assets on that campaign, and you got $100 a day that is being spent. What the campaign advantage does is that, let's say if asset number 2 is performing better than asset number 1, then the Facebook algorithm is going to allocate more money of that $100 to the best performing assets, and it's going to adjust depending on the data that it receives back. So whichever asset is performing better, Facebook ad campaign is going to allocate that budget. So by turning on the advantage budget, you're basically letting Facebook decide how to distribute that $100 that you're spending, right? So you can just you can set the campaign budget at 100 or whatever amount that you want to spend it at, $20, $40 a day. And then Facebook is just going to figure out, okay, asset number 3 is performing better than asset number 2 today. So we're going to set, it's going to allocate about 50 to 70%, whatever amount that it thinks is appropriate, it's going to do that job. So that way you don't have to figure out, you don't have to actually like do all the work of media buying and say, okay, like this asset is performing better and then do it automatically. We're just going to let Facebook do that. And Facebook is very smart. So it has more data than us. And it has this machine learning to kind of predict which asset is going to perform better. So we're going to keep it at advantage campaign budget. And as far as the budget goes, you put whatever budget that you want to feel comfortable spending. So if you want to do $20 a day, that's fine. $100 a day, that's fine. But just remember that it's going to take you about 2 to 3 times the amount of the sales price. So we remember the Nagano Tonic, the average conversion was like 145, right? So you're going to probably spend about 2 to 3 times that amount before you see your first sale. So just remember that. So if you're like spending like, $20 a day, and then after spending like $60 and you haven't gotten a sale, don't panic. Like that's just normal. Okay. You need to spend about 2 to 3 times the amount of the average sale before you see your first sale. And then after that, Facebook is just going to optimize and reduce your acquisition slowly over time. So as far as the daily budget, just put whatever amount that you want to spend. Just keep in mind, the more money that you spend, the faster that you're going to get that data back, and the faster you'll be able to optimize, right? So if you're spending only like $20 a day versus somebody who's spending like $300 a day, that $300 guy is going to get the data much faster than the guy who's spending only $20 a day. And then we're just going to hit next. All right, so this is the ad set level. We're just going to get the name for it. I'm just going to call it ad set 1, and I'm just going to call this broad targeting. And I'll explain to you what that is, okay, in a second. As far as the conversion, we're going to just go website and make sure you have your pixel set up in the conversion event setup. I'm not going to get too deep into it in this video because there is a separate video that I've created showing you guys how to set up Facebook ad pixels. Go watch that video. I'll leave a link to that video so you can go watch that. Basically, I show you how to set up your Facebook pixel with your Clickbank account. So here, I'm just going to call this conversion event purchase. Now we're going to turn on dynamic creative here. Basically what dynamic creative is that if you have more than one creative, this is the creative that we created, right? Earlier in Canva. If you have more than one, let's say like 2 to 3, and you can like mix and match with that ad creative with the different headlines and descriptions. So let's say that you came up with 3 different headlines and 3 different descriptions, then you can have multiple different ad creatives, and then they are all gonna kind of like Facebook just kind of rotate them around to show the different audiences, see which combination works best. So instead of us having to come up with all the different combinations and testing out all the different ad creatives, we're just gonna let Facebook decide. Facebook figure out which combination is gonna work best. All right, so it's a lot easier. It's less manual work than you having to do it all yourself. So in the past, we have interest targeting. So if you are like selling health and fitness supplements, if you were targeting that, you would want to target like health or like weight loss niche or something like that. Some people who are familiar with that. Now we're going to just do broad targeting. And broad targeting has worked a lot better because what it does is that we're just going to let our creative find the right audience. So if the right audience see this creative, this is the truth behind America's obesity crisis, whoever is resonating with this creative is going to click on that. And that's going to get them to that, right? So we're going to use our creative to find the right audiences instead of just targeting it for them. And then over time, Facebook is going to learn that, oh, okay, people who are clicking on this creative are the ones who are interested in this type of ad. And I'm gonna show it to more people that is likely to click on this creative. So it's gonna learn the pattern on its own, and then that's gonna keep it broad. And then also what's really good about the broad target is that it's not gonna limit us into our pool of audiences that we can have access to. So over time, like Facebook is just going to continue learning and get as it collects more data, it's going to figure out the best audience to show it to based on the creatives that we input into our Facebook campaign. So we're just going to leave it at that as broad. And we're going to next. Okay, so next thing we want to do is pick our Facebook page. So make sure that you have like a Facebook page that's already created. This could be like a theme page for like health and fitness or whatever theme page that you have on Facebook. So that way you can run Facebook ad from that theme page. So I just have this one right there, little guy. This is just like one of my theme pages that I've created. And then you can also connect it to your Instagram account as well. So if you have it on Instagram, just connect that. And then we're going to create our ad, right? So we're going to do the manual upload. Okay. Get started. Okay. So we're going to upload our ad creative. So right here is a media, it's an ad with add images. And I'm just going to upload this creative. So I'm just going to do this. All right. So this is the one. Now, ideally, you want to have multiple ones, right? So just for the sake of this, let's just, I'm just going to use a couple of these. Let's just say this one, and then do another one, this one. So we're just using a couple of them here. And then we're going to do primary text, we'll just use. And then we can do multiple primary text. So this is the headline that we're going to have. You can just like do like a different variations of this. All right. So let's see here. Why bold merit struggle with. So that's could be like another headline, right? So I'm just kind of coming up with a couple of examples on the spot here. We'll do another one. Let's see. Why is one talk about? So that's like another good example, right? So, well, what Facebook is going to do is then we have 3 different primary texts, and it's just going to kind of alternate between those things with these different images. We can also pull text from this right here and then find what the ones that that works for like descriptions. So I'll just take this one. Hey, America died more than any other continent. It's still most of the pieces of the world. All right, so go here. That we'll do description. So that's another one. Let's find another good from. So U.S. obesity rates are shooting up, are still shooting up faster than ever. Copy that. I'm just gonna put that into the headline. Because you can kind of see how the ad is gonna look right here now. The truth behind America's obesity graduates, U.S. obesity rates are shooting up faster than ever. And then so we got our ad created. Now all we have to do is insert the link. So remember the link is going to be your pre-sale page link, right? So this is the link that I had for our pre-sale page. So I'm just going to copy this link. Copy that. Just pick in. And the link could be, so you can have a display link. So we'll just, oh, so you can have like a change the display link. So this is what the ad will look like. Everything, if you set it up correctly. You want to make sure you have like multiple ad copies, multiple primary text, multiple headlines, multiple descriptions. And because we had it set up as um, dynamic creative, so all of this is going to, all this different combinations is going to alternate. So Facebook is going to alternate the different combinations and see which works best. And then it's going to show it to our audience from there. Right. So this should be good. Everything's good. And you just hit publish off of that. It's going to take a few hours to get approved by Facebook. But if you did everything right, make sure that, you set up your landing page correctly, make sure that it's compliant with your Facebook ad policies. Also, another thing is that you want to make sure you put references, like put maybe like scientific claims and stuff like that, and just put any disclaimer in your pre-sale page to make sure that it's compliant with Facebook ad policies. And also, like the images that you select, make sure that it's good images. It's not, anything provocative. Make sure your headlines doesn't do anything that's sensitive information like that. So as long as you follow all that, just go read like the Facebook ad policies and make sure that you're not violating their ad policies. Make sure that all that checks out. Okay. And then you just publish. Now, if you want to see me give an update to this video after I run the campaign and what the numbers comes back, I want you to leave a comment below, say update. If I get like 50 comments, I'm going to do a follow-up video update to this video with all the results. And I show you all the different numbers that I got back. So just just comment update and then also like and subscribe to this video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found this informational. If you want to get the pre-sale page that I use this video, you can go get the pre-sale page with Negano Tonic and buy it. It's only like $20. You can also get other pages as well, like Java Burn, for Denim, Purified. So you can see all the pages. I'll be adding them. They're available in Clickfunnel, high level, HTML, and other formats. I'll be adding them as well. You can also get them as a bundle. So there's like 60, 70 pages all inside of a bundle package where you can buy. And that's a little bit less expensive. Saves you more money. So because it's only like $97 to get the whole bundle. So if you want to get that, get that as well. So the cool thing about getting the bundle is that whenever we add pages, you can get access to the new pages where you don't have to pay anything extra. So you're basically get access for life as a member by buying the bundle. And it's only like a one-time fee of $97 versus if you were to buy it individually, each individual pages, selling them for like $20. So if you want to get the pre-sale pages, you can buy them there. If you have a particular affiliate offer that you're looking to promote, that you want to build a campaign for you, you can also sign up to purchase one of our done for you affiliate campaigns. We have different packages, so it doesn't have to be limited to Clickbank affiliate offers. It could be any affiliate offers on there that you want me to promote. We'll do all the strategy, the research to figure out what the best angle for it is. Create the landing pages for the pre-sale pages as well as the ad copies. All of that stuff, you get up to like 5 divisions. We have 3 packages. We got the starter, the pro, and then the super affiliate. All right. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link on those so you can check that out. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll give you guys an update. You leave those comments on you want to see me do an update on this video. So just comment update. All right. So all right, take care.